And one of the things we're able to do by being integrated into the transportation management system, I always talk about the label. If I know the case and the cube, and we've got a really good data from the warehouse or the ERP system, so we have all of the cube and size of the item, I know the size and the weight of that non-conveyable item. It might be a bicycle that's been boxed, things of that nature. We can feed that information to the transportation management system up front prior to the pick and get the right labels that are required for that item. So I can have the individual who's doing the picking, the pick operator, wear a mobile printer and basically in one step, pick it, pack it, and ship it by generating the right documentation labels. And now we're directing him to take it to the UPS store or bring it over to the pallet build. So we could be picking those products and we know the cube of those products. So if they're smaller, we can pick a dozen of them on a fork truck cart. If it's a single, we're going to send him out with one pallet, pick up the pallet and get that non-conveyable